Hi everybody, I'm back with another portfolio update. None of this is investment advice, I'm just updating you guys on how my portfolio is performing. So right now my portfolio is at $80,696.49. In my CMA Edge account there's $41,110.98, and in my Roth IRA there's $39,585.51. The total money I've contributed to my accounts is $66,162.22, and the total amount of dividends I've received is $5,321.33. Let's look at my current holdings. All right. So here's my current holdings. This is my CMA Edge account, my taxable account. I got 100 shares of Boeing, 100 shares of Disney, 100 shares of Realty Income, 100 shares of AT&T, 200 shares of Delta Airlines, 200 shares of Bank of America, and 2,200 shares of Spirit Airlines. Now, I'm selling options, right? I'm selling covered calls. But right now, I'm not selling any covered calls at all. I'm waiting because it's the end of the month. I think that we're on an upward trajectory right now. That's what I believe. And that's what's been happening for the past couple months anyways. And I don't think this is any different, especially since 4th of July is this upcoming weekend, you know? I'm pretty sure 4th of July, I think I read somewhere that historically speaking, the stock market has usually always gone up after 4th of July weekend. For me, it doesn't really matter too much which way it goes because I'm holding on to these for the long term. But I might make some short-term decisions like selling covered calls depending on where the prices go. But these are all companies that I plan to hold for the long term anyways. But yeah, I'm hoping that they do rise after the 4th of July weekend. That's what I'm hoping for. If that does happen, I'm going to sell covered calls then. But we'll see. So here's my Roth IRA. Very simple. There's not much to it. I got 1,400 shares of Spirit Airlines, 100 shares of SDIV, and I actually bought a call option. Usually I'm selling options, but this time I bought, and it turned out pretty well. So this is a call option. It's on Spirit Airlines, expiring January 21st, 2022. So long time from now, you know. And it's for the $20 strike price. And so far I've gone, what is it? Yeah, plus 16%. So I'm very happy about that. I bought it back when it was only $6, and the price of this call option risen to $7. So I made some good profit on it so far. It expires in 2022, so I'm not gonna. I don't feel like I need to do anything with it right away in the short term. You know, I have time to wait. I have lots of time. So that's how my portfolio is doing so well so far. These are all the things I'm holding right now. It's kind of interesting because usually for the past couple of months or so, I've been experimenting with selling options, but this is a weird time right now where I'm kind of just waiting. I want to wait till at least after 4th of July weekend. We'll see what happens then. If my portfolio goes up in value, I'm going to look at the stocks that might make sense for me to sell a covered call on. I'm thinking selling a covered call on Boeing and Spirit Airlines for sure. Those two for sure, if they go up and hit the number that I'm looking for. Like if Spirit Airlines goes to around $20, I might sell a covered call if it reaches $20 price. Boeing, I don't know. Because it did reach like 200 something not too long ago, right? Let's look. A month ago. Yeah, it was like above 220 less than a month ago. We'll see what happens to it. I know it's gone up because of the recertification of one of its planes, the 737, I believe. So that's why it's up so much today. And if it continues going up, if it hits, I don't know. I haven't really set a price for this on when I would sell a covered call. Maybe 210 or something. I don't know. I'll have to think about it. We'll just pay attention to how my portfolio is performing in the week going forward. 4th of July is this weekend, so I guess I'll reevaluate what my decisions are going to be starting next week. This week is a short week for me, by the way. I do work a 9-to-5 job, and I do have Friday off. Short week means, short week for the stock market as well, because the stock market is also closed on Friday, I believe. I have to check up on that. So yeah. So the last time I made a portfolio update, I was at around 82,000, right? Now I'm at 80,696. So I'm only down less than $1,500 since my last video. I remember when like $1,500 was a huge chunk of money for me, but now that my portfolio is 80,000 plus, $1,500 is really not that big of a move. So I really don't think much of it. I still think that, considering the stocks that are in my portfolio, moving forward, at least for the short term, I still believe that 4th of July weekend, my portfolio is going to rise. It's going to be higher than 80,000. That's my prediction. People are going to get out and travel. I mean, most holidays, right? People want to go out, go somewhere. 4th of July, I'm pretty sure people do want to travel and go places to celebrate. And air travel will pick up around that time. We'll look at the TSA numbers just to check. But speaking of the TSA numbers, even without any holidays, they're still going up like by a huge rate. Like, it's going up so quickly. I think it's over 700,000 now. And I see it being over 1 million soon. In the direction, looking at the pattern that's going in, the upward pattern, I see it hitting 1 million soon. But we'll see. But yeah, things are looking good for the airlines and Boeing and things like that, which is most of my portfolio. And I think as people fly more, then the stock value is going to go up. And 4th of July is a reason for people to travel. That's my prediction. Anyways, I will be making more videos just to update you guys on what happens, but this is my portfolio for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.